Today we are on our 8th standard GK subject. Today we will learn about lesson number 53 mixed bag, lesson number 54 the cinema, lesson number 55 small is beautiful, lesson number 56 literature quiz, and lesson number 57 we the people. So let's start from lesson number 53 mixed bag. First, which sport is said to be the de facto national sport of the USA? It's option B, baseball. Second number question, what is the name of the disc used in ice hockey? Option B, puck. Question number third, which Indian cricketer is nicknamed the Turbanator? It's option A, Harbhajan Singh. Question number 4, a standard round of golf consists of option A, 18 holes. Question number 5, who was known as the hockey wizard? मतलब हॉकी के जादूगर. ऑप्शन बी, ध्यानचंद, कर्नल ध्यानचंद. Question number 6, what is the common factor in chess, draughts and ludo? Option A, all are boards game with squares. Question number 7, with which sport is the Thomas Cup associated? It's option A, badminton. Question number 8, with which sport is the term half Nelson associated? It's option B, wrestling. Then question number 54, this lesson is based on entertainment part. Question first, which world renowned scientist played himself in an episode of Star Trek The Next Generation? He was Stephen Hawking. Here you can see the picture of Stephen Hawking. Question number second, name the famous legendary actor whose original name is Yusuf Khan. He is Dilip Kumar. Here is the picture of Dilip Kumar, you can see here in the downside of the page number 59. Third, born Lalita Rani, this South Indian actress has acted in Hindi films as well as in an active politician. What name is she known by? She is Jayaprada. Here is the picture of Jayaprada, you can see the second number picture after the Akshay Kumar. Fourth, Rajiv Hariom Bhatia won the Best Actor Award in the 64th National Film Award. By which name he is better known as? He is better known as Akshay Kumar, the first number picture. Fifth number, he has won the National Film Award for Best Actress twice. Her real name is Tabassum Hashmi Khan. What is her screen name? Her screen name is Tabbu. Here is the picture of Tabbu. This was our lesson number 54, the cinema. Now we are on our lesson number 55, small is beautiful. Short and simple sentence make our expression subtle and meaningful. Here is column A and column second. First, Gallulus G, talkative. Then second, edifies, option E, a large impressive building. Then third, opulent, it's option H, wealthy. Fourth, pedestrian, one who walks. Fifth, utensils, option B, household tools. Sixth, paternal, C, related to one's father. 7, impoverished, D, poor. And 8, artifice, option F, insincere behavior. Then option B, match the two columns correctly. It's column 1 and column 2. Living on a shoestring, option B, to survive on a very small income. Question second, to step into someone's shoes, option A, to understand someone else's viewpoint. Third, to pull up one's socks. F. To aim to do better. Fourth, to pass the hat. Option E. To collect money from a number of people. Fifth, a blue stocking. Option D. A learned lady. Sixth, to throw down the gauntlet. It's C. To give a challenge. So students, this was our lesson number 55 based on the language part. Now we are on our lesson number 56. It's a literature quiz based on literature part of the lesson. First, Jim Hawkins is a character in a novel. Option A. Treasure Island. Question number second, Samuel Langhorne Clemens is a better known in literature as option A. Mark Twain. Question number third, which poetess wrote a famous Hindi poem about the Queen of Jhansi? Option C. Subhadra Kumari Chauhan. Question number 4, who wrote Animal Farm? Option A. George Orwell. Question number 5, who is the author of the novel The Handmaid's Tale? Option C. Margaret Atwood. Sixth number question, who among the following was a great German poet, scientist and critic? He was option A. Goethe. Seventh question, who said they also serve who only stand and wait? Option C. John Milton. Question number 8, what name did Rudyard Kipling give his mongoose in the Jungle Book? It's option B. Rikki Tikki Tavi. Ninth question, which author wrote The rule is jam tomorrow, jam yesterday, but never jam today? Option A. Lewis Carroll. 10th number question, who won the Pulitzer Prize in 1988 for Beloved and the Nobel Prize in Literature 1993? It's option B. Toni Morrison. Now we will on our last lesson, that we the people. Take the correct answer. Total 7 questions are asked here. First question, which body framed the Constitution? Option B. Constituent Assembly. Question number 2, when did the Constitution come into force? It's option C. 26 January 1950. Third question, how many fundamental rights do Indian citizens have? It's option C. 6. Fourth question, who is the custodian of the Constitution of India? It's option C. Supreme Court. Fifth number question, what is the title of the head of a Gram Panchayat? It's option B. Sarpanch. Question number 6, what are the two houses of parliament? It's option C. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Seventh number question, what is the legislative council of a state called? It's option B. Vidhan Parishad. So students, this was our lesson number 57, we the people. Thank you.